A mother of minor child has lodged the complaint at the police station that her minor girl, is missing from the house in the night of 11th August. So, accordingly, being a girl was minor, we registered a kidnapping case under Section 363 IPC and Section 8 of Goa Children Act against the unknown culprits. And we started our investigation. During the investigation, I formed the teams to search the minor girl as she was missing. And we were managed to trace the minor girl yesterday. And after tracing the minor girl, we recorded the statement of the minor girl before the NGO. And after recording the statement, it was revealed from the statement of the minor girl that four accused persons, has sexually abused the said minor girl independently on different occasions. Out of the four accused, one accused has sexually abused her last year in the month of August 21 and again in the March 2021, who used to work as a driver at the house of the said minor girl. And these three accused sexually abused her since she is missing from the 11th on different occasions independently. So in this connection, we added the section 376 of IPC, read with section 34 and section 4812 of POCSO Act. And further, we started our investigation. All the four accused took the advantage of the victim being the minor girl, as she was minor girl, and sexually abused her. So presently, we have arrested four accused persons in the crime. And our further investigation is in progress. The names of the four accused persons are Mukund Rawal, age 35 years, Venkatesh Guruswamy, age 30 years, Kush Jaiswal, age 30 years, and Aftar Hussain, age 23 years, all resident of Vasco. So when the girl was missing, she left the house, and when she left the house, these three accused persons, one of the accused is her driver. She had sexually abused her for last 1 year back and in the month of March. But these three accused took the advantage of the said minor girl being a minor girl and sexually abused the said girl. So presently our further investigation is in progress.
So the children kidnapped करून खंय व्हेल्ले अशें कितें कळ्ळां outside Goa and how old is the minor girl?
She is 17 years old and she was this is not out of the Goa, but this happened within the jurisdiction of Vasco police station.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.